Jingplie paidbah ia Mallangkona Police Outpost West Khasi Hills, daw Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma, pyni nuksa ia jingiashimbynta lang jong paidbah jingtei kongsan Jylla. Ia kani Police Outpost la tailing ba Police Infrastructure Renovation Fund bakhanyo poinsan lak tingka. Kabadiru project bala dawa la slem de paidbah wanrah ia jingshngain jingiada hapoh thain, bajumat ia huri hura na jingkyntur put Assam. Yung Myntri Rangbah Jylla la synran daw Symbud Myntri Rangbah ba Preston Tensong berkiwei ki Heh Sorkar.
Inaugurated the new building of the Mallangkona Outpost, and this has been a very long pending demand of the people out here. And there are two things I would like to specifically mention about this. Number one is that this is a very strong message and a symbol that safety and security of our people is important, and that's why we have all come here to be part of this program. And we want to assure that it won't be just here, but in all the different parts of the state, wherever such critical locations are there, we will ensure that sufficient infrastructure and manpower is provided in different locations. Number two, we also would like to state that this building was made through the PIRF fund, which is now made available to the SPs to have a flexible fund where they can utilize it to repair new constructions at their own district level without taking any approval from the state or from the government. And this has enabled this particular building to come up. But the beauty of this building is that while the money came for the materials and all from here, the people of this village have contributed as manpower, laborers. They came and worked themselves. Some even contributed by giving building materials out here. Even the SP and the DC at the personal level have come in and monitored things. So this is a very good and great example of the society coming together and sending a very strong message to the state.
Thanks to the head of the department, the Honorable DGP of Meghalaya.